Okay, let's begin with a new topic of electrostatics chapter, that is electrostatics potential energy of whom? Of a dipole. Okay, where is that dipole kept? That dipole is kept in an external electric field. Okay, so and that external electric field is uniform. Uniform external field means the direction of the electric field, or the direction between electric lines of force, is equidistant and they are parallel. The electric lines of force are parallel to each other. So this is my electric field. This is the direction of my electric field, and the electric field goes from positive to negative. Now initially I'll keep an electric dipole in the external electric field. Dipole means here you have positive charge, here you have negative charge. Okay, let me tell you about some general information. That is, this is the center of the dipole. From center to this charge the distance is L. From center to this charge the distance is L. So total distance is 2L. What will be the direction of electric dipole moment? The direction of electric dipole is from not from negative to positive charge, and the formula is charge into the distance. This is electric dipole moment, the formula of electric dipole moment, and the direction of P is from negative to positive. Now here the force is applied on both the charges. The direction of force on this charge will be towards this side, and the direction of force on this charge will be on this side. Because this is positive charge and this is negative, so the positive charge will get attracted towards this side. So here will be the force will be in this direction, and at this place the force will be in this direction, because this is negative charge and this end is positive of the electric field. So now when I keep the dipole in the external electric field, torque due to electric field torque acts on the dipole, and due to that torque my dipole rotates, and its rotation will be in this format. Okay, so let me draw it. You can also use the statement as due to external electric field, dipole experiences torque and it rotates. This is the direction of your electric dipole. Now due to torque, this is the new position of the dipole, and here the angle is theta. What is the formula of torque in vector form? It is P cross E. So if I want to remove this cross product, I'll write it as PE sine theta. Theta is the angle between your P and E. Okay. Now after this, due to torque there is rotation, and this torque is due to external field, whose formula is written over here. Now I'll consider this position as initial position. Now my torque is in this position, my dipole is in this position due to torque, and that torque is due to external field. So I'll consider this angle as theta naught. Now this is the initial position of my dipole. What I'll do, I'll apply an external torque. To move or to rotate the dipole, not move, I should say, to rotate dipole from theta naught to a particular angle theta, means from theta naught to theta. I'll apply the external torque in this direction. I'll take from my dipole from theta naught to, suppose, this angle. From theta naught angle to, I'll take my dipole to angle theta naught. So this is my external torque. ठीक है. So this external torque is applied by me to rotate my dipole from theta naught to theta. ये याद रखना है. So there is some work done because external field is taking your torque in this direction. But what we have done, we have applied an external torque and we have rotated it in the opposite direction towards this side. So there is work done, and that work done is from theta naught to theta. So first we'll find out small work done for small displacement. Small work done for small displacement. Small work done will be dW. Small displacement. Acha, who is doing that small displacement? Work done is force into displacement, and small displacement is, I'll not take it to theta. First we'll consider that instead of coming to this distance, let me come from here to this position. Means from here we are coming to this point, and this displacement is d theta. From theta naught to theta, first we'll consider that this is d theta. From theta naught to theta, ये थीटा नॉट है ना, थीटा नॉट से थीटा के डिस्प्लेसमेंट पढ़ने से पहले हम लोग थीटा नॉट टू डी थीटा वाला डिस्प्लेसमेंट देखते हैं. सो स्मॉल डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज डी थीटा. So to find out total work done, we will integrate the small work done, and your work done is from theta naught to theta. Now it is easy. From theta naught to theta, what is dW? It is external torque, and d theta. What is the formula of torque? PE sin theta external torque to into d theta. So external torque is PE sin theta d theta. PE comes out of integration. Sin theta का integration होता है minus cos theta. So theta naught to theta. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Before that I'll remove this minus out of integration. So it is cos theta minus cos theta naught. So this is the work done. This is the formula of work done. If you want to rotate a dipole, this is the formula of work done. If you want to rotate your dipole from some angle to some angle, okay. Now suppose this is initial angle theta naught was pi by 2, then what would happen to the formula? You can use this minus inside and write this formula as C, minus plus minus, minus minus plus. So cos theta naught minus cos theta. If theta naught, first case, if theta naught is pi by 2, means your initial angle is pi by 2. So cos of pi by 2, cos of 90 gives you 0. This becomes 0. So in that case, work done PE minus cos theta. So that becomes minus PE cos theta. This would have been the work done, and this work done is nothing but potential energy. This work done gets stored in the dipole as potential energy, and this becomes the potential energy of the dipole. Second case, if theta naught is 0, if theta naught is 0 means this is the electric field and your dipole is in this direction. So what is the angle? What is this angle theta naught? This dipole is in this direction. So theta naught is 0, means your dipole is parallel to electric field, and in this case your dipole is like this, means your dipole is perpendicular to electric field in this case. In this case, your dipole is parallel to the electric field. Then what will be the potential energy? Okay, where is the formula? So in that case, the potential energy is PE cos of 0 minus cos theta. Now what is cos of 0? Cos of 0 is 1. PE 1 minus cos theta. So this is the potential energy when your dipole is parallel to the field. Now you can also write it like this. If you remove cos theta, then what you'll have? Dot product. So this becomes minus P dot of E and you'll have vector quantity. पता है ना, dot product लगाते हैं तब cos theta जाता है, या dot product हटाना है तो cos theta लगेगा, जब cross product हटाना है sin theta लगता है. See, here we have seen cross product हटाया तो sin theta लगा, यहाँ cos theta हटाया तो dot product लगा, या dot हटाना है तो cos लगेगा. This you all have seen or studied in your 11th standard. So this is nothing but your potential energy when your dipole is perpendicular to the electric field. This is the potential energy, or you can say this. And second case is when your dipole is parallel to the electric field. This is the potential energy of your dipole, and this work done is nothing but potential energy. We all know this is the potential energy. This is change in potential energy. This work done is change in potential energy. Okay, this work done is change in potential energy, and where from where is the change occurs? The change in potential energy is from final change in potential energy. Okay. Work done is change in potential energy. Change means final potential energy minus initial potential energy. What is final potential energy at final point? At final point we have taken it as angle as theta, and for initial point the angle is theta naught. Means the change in potential energy at final point, that is at theta. Potential energy in the dipole when the dipole is at theta, minus potential energy in the dipole when the dipole is at theta naught. ये दोनों को जब माइनस करेंगे तब हम लोग को मिलेगा वर्क डन, and that is this. Or you can also say work done in bringing your dipole from theta naught to theta. Your potential energy at theta naught and potential energy at theta. So this is final position, potential energy at final minus potential energy at initial. माइनस करेंगे तो तुम लोग को मिलेगा वर्क डन. ठीक है, and this work done is change in potential energy, and here this work done whatever we have calculated for your cases, that is not work done, that is your potential energy. See, I have marked it as potential energy, not as change in potential energy. This is the potential energy. Why we have taken W? Because here we had W in the formula and we have done the substitution, right? So just for the substitution I have written, but what we have achieved this, or you can say this is nothing but the potential energy when your dipole is perpendicular to the field, and this is the case when your dipole is parallel to the electric field. In that case the potential energy in the dipole is given by this formula. Hope you all understood. And in both the cases your potential energy, that is U, is a function of theta because you have theta on right hand side. Even in this case your potential energy, that is U, is a function of theta because you have theta on the right hand side. I hope you understood this.